Hello all, in this video we will see how to use two camera modules with Raspberry Pi 5. In Raspberry Pi 5 we have two CSI ports, camera serial interface ports. We will be using camera module 3 which is official camera 12MP sensor, and another camera is 5MP camera. This is unofficial camera. Both the cameras, let us see how to connect with Raspberry Pi 5. For comparison, we have Raspberry Pi 4 model also. This RPI 4 as CSI port, that is camera serial interface port of 15 pin of 1 mm pitch, slightly bigger. It is 1 mm pitch. It is between AV and HDMI port. In RPI 5 we have two CSI ports, but pins are 22 pins, 0.5 mm pitch, and the Raspberry Pi 5 has also PCI Express port. Now let us connect the Sony camera uh, directly to the Raspberry Pi 4, which has got CSI connector, camera serial interface connector, 15 pin. Slightly pull out the lock gently, and then insert the silver pins facing the HDMI connector. That is in RPI 4, and then press lock the connector. Now provide the supply, and then from terminal use this command RPICAM. Now we are not using libcam commands. So RPICAM -hello, and then list cameras, and it will find out the cameras connected to the CSI port. We can also use lib camera, but it will be outdated soon. So always use RPICAM commands. RPICAM -hello will take a picture, and then Control C to stop. RPICAM -hello, and then -T0 will start a continuous mode of operation of the camera. You have to use Control C inside the terminal window to stop that. You can also use -still command and name for the name in JPG to take a picture and store it in a home folder. So this is the RPICAM commands, and in RPI 5 we have two 0.5 mm pitch 22 position FFC cable connector, CSI connectors. Let us connect the Sony camera first. That is the 12MP Sony camera. It has got a 15 pin connector. We have to change the connector to 22 pin. So you have to purchase a 22 pin camera connector. Always while using our Raspberry Pi, use cooler like this, as it'll heat up like anything. This 15 pin connector, let us remove from the camera and connect the 22 pin 0.5 mm pitch. This 22 pin 0.5 mm pitch you have to purchase separately. And in the 5MP camera, you have to connect the gold pin facing the camera side. There is a bigger side, gold pin facing the camera side. The other end of the connector, the gold pin should face the PoE connector. Slightly pull up the lock gently using the fingers, and the gold pin should face towards the PoE and Ethernet connector. So this is away from the lock. Press lock the connector. This is camera pin position 0. There are two camera positions, camera 0 and then camera 1. In camera 1 position, let us connect the Sony camera. In that camera also, you have to replace the FFC cable. The bigger side, gold pin should face the camera side, and then press lock the connector, and on the Raspberry Pi 5 module, gently pull up the flip lock, and then press the FFC cable, gold pin facing towards the Ethernet connector. So this is camera position 1. So two cameras are connected, camera 0 and then camera 1. Camera 0 we have 5MP connector, 5MP camera. Camera 1 we have the 12MP Sony camera. Now let us check the commands. At camera position 0, we have 5MP unofficial camera. At camera position 1, we have the Sony IMX camera 1. Inside the terminal, use the RPICAM hello list cameras. It will list out the cameras connected, camera 0 and camera 1. Both the cameras it detects. If it is not detecting the camera, then you have to check the connectors. Libcamera command also you can use. It will also work, but always use RPICAM. RPICAM hello, and then camera 0 will start the camera 0 where we are connected 5MP camera. So it will take a picture from camera 0 and it will store in the home folder. And you can use camera 1 to start the camera 1. RPA cam hello camera 1. So you can switch between camera 0 and camera 1. You can use the other commands like still o test.jpg, any name with the .jpg suffix, and then the camera name. The still and other commands also you can test, and you can switch between camera 0 and camera 1, and you can try all the RPA commands, the still and other commands, and you can also take video and switch between camera 0 and camera 1. Thank you for watching.